Farmers in Nanded in Maharashtra facing crop damages and unable to pay loans for the past few months have now suffered another blow. Crop damage because of extremely heavy rain over the past few days. Govind Jagade's soybean crop has been destroyed and he's facing a loss of 50,000 rupees.
पूरा सोयाबीन पानी से भर के गया। शासन की कुछ भी मदद नहीं मिली। शिंदे साहब बोले कि देता हूँ पीक बीमा, दिवाली को दशहरे के पहले देता हूँ, बोले दशहरा गया, दिवाली आ गई अब नजीक, 4 दिन पर दिवाली आ गई, कुछ शासन मदद कर रही नहीं, कुछ नहीं।
In the past 4 months, 69 farmers have committed suicide in Nanded after they were unable to pay debtors. There's bad news in Beed too. Balasaheb Jagade is separating the few good onions from his destroyed yield. The yield was good this year, but the heavy rain 3 days ago ruined his crop. He says he has suffered damages of almost 4 lakh rupees.
4 महीने पहले हमारे खेती में प्याज थी और प्याज कटकर वो हम शेड में डाला तो दो तीन दिन पहले बहुत बारिश हो गई, इतनी बारिश हो गई कि हमारा सब प्याज बह गया।
In another part of Beed, Ramkrishna Jagade's tomato and corn crops on his 1 hectare land are also worthless now. He says he has lost about 1 lakh rupees.
मेरे यहाँ 1 हेक्टेयर खेती है, उसमें टोमेटो लगाए थे, घास था, मक्का थी, ज्वार थी, उसमें जो टोमेटो है वो उसके टोमेटो बह गए, उसके पेड़ नीचे गिर गए और घास भी नहीं रहा, मक्का भी बह गई, उसमें का सब नुकसान हुआ है।
According to the data received by the government, more than 41 lakh farmers have applied under Pradhan Mantri Fasal Bima Yojana due to heavy rain and flood damages this year. Government has given rupees 4,691 crore in the last 4 months.
गेल्या 2-3 दिवसांमध्ये परतीच्या पावसामुळे झालेलं जे शेतकऱ्यांचं नुकसान आहे, पिकांचं नुकसान आहे, त्याचे पंचनामे युद्ध पातळीवर तातडीने करावेत आणि त्या शेतकऱ्यांना तातडीने नुकसान भरपाई द्यावी अशा प्रकारचे निर्देश प्रशासनाला दिलेत। प्रशासनाने त्याची तातडीने अंमलबजावणी करावी जेणेकरून शेतकऱ्यांना मोठा दिलासा मिळेल।
Heavy rainfall just before Diwali has increased the troubles of the farmers in rural Maharashtra. While the government is claiming that relief will be provided soon, the relief will be provided only once the Panchnama of the fields are completed, the records are shared with the government and the government releases the fund. This is a long process and it means that the farmers will have to wait for a longer period to get the relief. With Manoj Satpute in Beed, Kanhaiya Khandelwal in Nanded and camera person Praveen Jirohit in Mumbai, Sohit Mishra, NDTV.